Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend. We're able to find something to do, stay busy, not get too bored of sitting around. I know that's kind of hard to do, but hopefully everything went well. Today, we're going to kind of be continuing to learn about Zora Neale Hurston. And then this week, we're going to be learning about another author of the Harlem Renaissance, Langston Hughes. Okay? So I'll read through our to-do list. And I actually am going to show you all the survey results from Friday, because I wanted to kind of just be like transparent and show you what all of you are saying, because you don't get to see what other people are saying. So I want to show you that so we can kind of see what we're going to do going forward together. All right. First, our learning objective. I can understand Zora Neale Hurston's biography and identify which parts of her life will show up in her story drenched in light. So last week we learned about Zora Neale Hurston, her biography, and her place in the Harlem Renaissance. This week today we're going to be reading another short picture book about her that helps us understand her background a little bit more. And then we're going to be reading one of her short stories called Drenched in Light tomorrow and Wednesday. All right. So first, watch the daily directions video that you should be watching right now as I'm saying this. Then I'm going to show you the survey results after I go through this. Second, you're going to complete the Monday check-in question in the Monday folder. Third, you're going to complete the Zora Neale Hurston, Zora and the China Berry Tree assignment in the Monday folder. There will be a video of me reading through the story with you if you would like to use that. And then take the survey from Friday still if you haven't. And have a great Monday, and you should join my office hours and check in and say hi. Also, just a reminder, there are conferences on Thursday still. Your advisory teacher is going to be sending out information to your parent or guardian, and then you'll be just meeting with your advisory teacher. So a little bit different this year. I'll send out more information about that, but just wanted to let you know there will be conferences this Thursday. All right, so let me show you quickly how to get into the Monday folder, in case you don't know. It'll be in this week 4 folder here. And then Monday. I'll be publishing this as soon as this video is over. So the Monday folder has the check-in question and the assignment for today. All right, so now I'm going to show you the survey. So on Friday, you all took a survey. You should have 42 of you did, which is kind of low because there's been like almost 70 people that have actually been doing stuff. And I know some of us are probably behind, so don't worry about that. Just take it still if you can. It's still available. So I wanted to show you a couple questions just to see where everybody's at. So for example, this is a big one that I was worried about, just like how much work there is in English. I was worried it was going to be overwhelming. And as you can see, 27 of you said that it's been the perfect amount, so more than half of you, 64%. And again, we only have 43 or 42 people that have taken it, so I can update you again when there's more people that have taken it. And then 14 of you said it was too much, and 1 of you said it was too little. So this is where it's kind of hard as a teacher I want to make sure that you're not overwhelmed. And since more than half of you said it's the perfect amount, there are still 14 of you that said it's too much. So I'm going to be trying to figure out what to do about that. I just wanted to show you where everyone else is at. And if you have suggestions of how to keep the work perfect amount for these people and then not overwhelm these people, let me know too. I just want to be here to support all of you and not just be like, oh, most of you think it's fine, so I don't worry about these people. That's not what I'm going to do. So I'll figure it out. I just wanted to show you. All right. For vocabulary.com, kind of similar. 55% of you said it was the perfect amount that we've been using it. 7 of you said too little, so 7 of you want to use it more. And then 12 of you said too much. So again, I'll figure out a solution for that. I just wanted to show you. And if you have ideas for that as well, you can let me know. I want the people that enjoy using it to be able to still use it, and those of you that are overwhelmed by it to not have to use it as much. All right, last one I'm going to show you is the that Pear Deck assignment that we did last week. 52% of you liked that more than the normal way, and 48% of you like the normal way. So that one's pretty similar, or pretty even, I mean. So maybe I'll just do one of the Pear Decks once in a while and then just kind of do the regular format the other days. All right, hope that made sense. If you have other questions about the survey, just let me know. I just wanted to show you all what's going on and have you see like where your classmates are at. All right, everybody have a great day. Let me know if you need anything and join my office hours. All right, bye everybody.